Welcome to MeVisit. MeVisit stands for Mobile Electronic Visit, which in its simplest form is an online medical appointment. It is secure, private, and easy to use. Online care can be conducted anywhere you have internet access using a computer or mobile device such as smartphone or tablet. This video will explain the healthcare provider functions of the MeVisit website. The website is important for setting up your account and managing your medical library. You may conduct care through the website as well, though most providers use the mobile app. The mobile application is covered with the MeVisit Provider Sandbox available in the App Store. At this point, please open your web browser to www.mevisit.com and log in. The login link is located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Should you require help with your login credentials, please contact your office administrator, or you may call our support line at 1-855-4MeVisit. As a health provider, your home on the MeVisit website will be the physician portal. Here, you can complete or update your profile, control your availability, manage your medical library, conduct online care, and review cases you've previously completed. Though most of these tasks may be conducted through the mobile app, it is important to understand that managing your medical library and accessing your professional profile can only be done via MeVisit Web. Let's begin by reviewing your physician profile on the My Profile page. On this page, please be sure to confirm your preferred contact for case notifications. You may choose to be contacted via email or your mobile phone for care requests. If you choose to be contacted through text messaging, please ensure that this number is your mobile phone and not your office phone. At the top of the My Profile page, you have the option to change your password to something a little more personalized or easy for you to remember. At the bottom of the page, you will see the Bypass Two-Step Login option. Two-step security is the same type of security process used by banking portals, and MeVisit uses this process to keep everyone's account at its safest. Most physicians select Yes to bypass this step, but it is completely up to you how much security you prefer. Toward the bottom of the page is the Edit Bio button. Your bio page is the public face of your personal account. This is the information your patients will see on the MeVisit website, and it will improve your patient search results by including your public bio. You may also add detailed information such as your medical background and licensing info. Licensing information is for credentialing only and is kept strictly confidential. Make any necessary changes now, and up next we'll explain the MeVisit Medical Library that you will use during online care encounters. Once your profile is complete, it is time to acquaint yourself with the Medical Library. The Medical Library is a collection of basic treatment plans and patient health information. Medical library items are what patients receive at the completion of a MeVisit. Just as your clinical style is unique, your MeVisit library should become personalized to you. You are expected and encouraged to review each of the items and edit them to mirror your treatment style. There may be items that you feel perfectly represent your views, and there may be items not appropriate to your practice at all. Most commonly, however, there will be items that require minor editing. Let's take a look at this process now. Library items are searchable by either their title or commonly associated tags. In the search bar, type in poison and select poison plant dermatitis. Click the Edit button to bring up the library item edit window. Here you can edit, delete, or rewrite any of the content in the treatment plan. In order to find items more quickly, you may also create your own tags or keywords to be associated with an item. And you may change the title as well or update ICD coding. If an item is irrelevant to your practice, you may simply delete it. Take note of the characters that occur at the end of your letter to the patient, immediately before the patient education. These are a placeholder for your signature. It is important that they remain in the body of the text where you want your signature to appear. You may also build your own library items with the Add New Item button. We recommend creating the item in Word and copying and pasting it into the editor. If you're in the middle of creating an item from scratch on MeVisit Web and lose your internet connection, you will lose all of your work. so the copy-paste method is the simplest workaround and most preferred by most providers. When creating your own library items, be sure to also copy-paste the signature placeholder characters so that the new items will include your signature. Take some time now to familiarize yourself with the medical library. Once you have a full understanding of it, we will look at what MeVisit is all about: conducting online care. You may have noticed that when you first logged into MeVisit.com, the landing page was the Cases page. The Cases page details the most recent MeVisit in your queue. You don't have any cases currently, as your account has only just been created. Pressing the Cases Plus button shows all MeVisit requests you have, organized by date and time received. This example shows a care request from Jill Atkins. Her HPI and PHR are displayed for review. Once all of her information has been reviewed and her doctor is ready for a diagnosis, click Continue to open the diagnosis window. Here the medical library appears to select a treatment plan. You may either scroll down the list using the down arrow button, or you may simply type in your diagnosis and click Search. This isn't the first time Jill has gone camping and developed a rash, so after a review of her case, her doctor knows that this is poison plant dermatitis. Selecting it brings up the medical library entry for it. At the bottom, you'll notice a free-form text box. The Additional Instructions text box is for patient-specific information. Based on her repeated issues with poison plants, Jill's doctor gives her a personalized message that includes a website that she can visit to help identify plants that cause a reaction. After you've selected a diagnosis from your medical library and added any additional information that may be necessary, you have the option to review the HPI and PHR, save the diagnosis in the pending queue, discard the diagnosis, which will return you to the cases screen, or submit the diagnosis to the patient. Saving cases to the pending queue is helpful when you want to edit the diagnosis and treatment info in your medical library before responding to the patient. All cases that you complete are sent to the Completed Cases page and are stored for 18 months. They are kept on hand to assist you and your future MeVisits. From the Completed Cases page, you can review each case's HPI, patient profile, and treatment plan. The list may be sorted by treatment date and is searchable by either the first or last name of the patient. And lastly, on the toolbar at the top of the screen, you'll notice the Availability toggle. The Availability toggle shows whether or not you are currently accepting mobile care requests. This can be useful if you want to quickly log in and review something, but do not want to accept new care requests while doing so. Be sure to set your availability to on during the hours you do want to accept MeVisit requests. Now that your MeVisit profile has been set up and you have familiarized yourself with the web version, download the free app for your mobile device. From a visual standpoint, the Android and the iOS versions look and feel slightly different. However, they both function exactly the same and provide all of the case-related functions found on MeVisit Web. Log in to MeVisit Mobile and review all of the various functions and case review steps. You may use this guide or your printed provider handbook to guide you through it.